Guys, I'm Luke with CompanyCam, and if you'll give me 1 minute, I will tell you how smart photos are gonna help your restoration business, starting now. Smart photos are photos that have information attached to them. So in CompanyCam, when you take a photo, you will know who took the photo, when they took it, and where they took it. Okay? Now, these smart photos are gonna help every part of your business. When your guys go out to estimate something, they can take photos that are gonna be automatically saved under the right job, and when they come back to the office to write their estimate, it's all gonna be there waiting and organized for them. They can take notes on those photos so that when they're looking over everything to put that bid together, there's nothing where the notes don't match the photos or something isn't fitting together. It's all connected, and they'll be able to make better estimates so that you're bidding the jobs more accurately and hopefully making more money. Now, in your operations, when your guys are out in the field doing the work, you can't be at every one of those jobs unless you want to be in your truck all day driving all over town. CompanyCam gives you a real-time photo feed, kind of like a Facebook feed for your business, where you're seeing the latest photo updates by job on your phone the moment they're taken. So whenever you pull out CompanyCam, whether you're on the toilet, at the beach, in the office, you are going to know exactly what's getting done on each of your jobs. So we really want to help your restoration business top to bottom, from sales to operations to marketing, and CompanyCam will help you in all of those areas. So please try it free. You get a 2-week free trial. It'll help you save time, save money, get more customers, and you'll be seeing your business like never before.